these notes. So, what is a string? String is a sequence of characters enclosed within quotation marks. What does this mean? Anything enclosed within quotation marks is known as string. Okay, a character can be letter, number, space, or special symbol. Anything enclosed within a double quotes is known as string. Let us see some examples. We are having one variable name. It is storing the value string Karan. Okay, so there is one variable name. It is storing some sort of string. It's something enclosed within double quotes. Whatever is enclosed within double quotes is stored in name. So the data type of the variable name is known as string. The next example we are having is city. We are storing city. How we are storing? We are storing a value, a single quoted value, not double quoted. So it may be single quote, it may be double quotes, or it may be triple quotes as well. But anything enclosed between quotes is known as string. We are having one another variable here, course. So we are storing Python programming into the variable course. It is enclosed within double quotes. So it means the data type of course is string. So this is a string. So in the above examples, Karan is a string, Delhi is a string, Python programming is also string because spaces are allowed. So spaces are allowed in strings. You can write as many as words you want. You can write sentences. You can write words. You can write a character as well. So there are some real life examples also related to strings. So strings are used to store names, email addresses, passwords, phone numbers sometimes, addresses, URLs, messages, product names, and many other things. Many other things. Okay. Whenever you program works with text, you are using strings. This is a simple logic which you can keep in your mind that whenever you see any text in app or website, it is a string. And text is a string. Now, how to create string? How we are creating strings? Python provides three ways to create strings. As I have told earlier, we are having three ways to create strings. The first one is single quotes. You can write a variable name equals to, then write anything in single quote. It is known as single quote method to create a string. So the variable language is a string data type variable. So Python is stored into the variable string. Sorry. So the Python is stored into the variable language. We are having two more methods, double quotes, triple quotes. So in the variable language, we are storing Python again, but this time we are using double quotes. So there will not be any error if you use single quote, double quote, or triple quote as well. But mainly the difference is in the writing part only. You can use single quote, double quote for words or one sentence maybe, and triple quotes are mainly used for multi-line strings. This is the basic difference. So triple quotes are mainly used for multi-line strings. Like we are having some message, we are having one variable called message, and we are storing a multi-line sentence. Okay, so we are having welcome to Python. This is our fourth lecture. Today we will learn strings. So we are storing some sentences into a variable. So we are using triple quotes. You can also use double quotes here, but mainly triple quotes are used for multi-line strings. So the output will be like this. Welcome to Python. This is our fourth lecture. Today we will learn strings. Triple quotes are also commonly used for documentation. Like we are making doc strings, it is used for that purpose also. So the next thing which we are having is accessing characteristics. So before moving to the next thing, let us create the variable of string data type and run it, print it, and see how it looks. I will open VS Code. I will create a new folder here, name it as lecture 04, press enter. So I am into my new folder. I will create a new file, strings strings.py. So I have created one file, strings.py. I will create one variable here. Let's say I will take from here only. I will execute this one. Firstly, this one with single quotes. I will write this, and then with double quotes, I will change the variable name here because the variable name of two variables can't be same in the same file. Okay. So I will name it as language underscore 01 or anything you can name. I have named like this, then press enter. Sorry, it will be language. Okay. So the next thing, I will copy this, come here and paste here. Now this is single line. Sorry. So this is single quote string. This is double quote string, and this is triple quoted string. This is a multi-line string. So this is the difference. I will run. I will do one thing here. I will do print. I will print language. After that, I will print language underscore 01. I will print message. After printing, I will run this code and see what will happen. So Python is printed as it is. This second Python is also printed as it is, this one. And the third, which is triple quoted, here we are printing all the lines. How, like, I have pressed enter here, so it will also come here. Like, this is an empty line, so this will also be here. So this is an empty line. This is the basic difference. Now, the next thing is how to access characters. We will learn about string indexing now. What is string indexing? Each character in a string has a position called an index. We are having an example here. We will see here first and then I will explain. So we are having one variable language. The string Python is assigned to the variable language. So how we visualize this? What is the visualization of this string? We are storing sequence of characters. What are the characters we are having? PYDHON. So these are the characters which we are having, and how the indexing is taking place. I will explain you this thing in detail. So I will open my OneNote. So see here, what we are having is we are having one variable called language. We are having one variable language which is storing a string Python. So it is storing a string Python. So what is happening here is how it is indexed, how it is positioned. So indexing in Python always starts from zero. We are having two types. Firstly, we are having two types of indexing. We are having two types of indexing. The first one is positive indexing. The first one which we are having is positive indexing, and the second one we are having is negative indexing. Okay, so we are having two types of indexing. One is positive index, second is negative index. So how it is working is I will explain you here. In positive indexing, the indexing starts from zero. Okay, the indexing in positive indexing starts from zero, from the left hand side, on left, on left side. Okay, on left side it starts. But in negative indexing, indexing is started from -1 on right side. So this is the difference between positive indexing and negative indexing. So how it is working? In positive indexing, indexing starts from 0 on left side. Left side means this side. This is our string here. This is our string. Left side is this. This is left side. This is right side. This is general left and right of our. So how it is happening? Indexing starts from 0 on left, and in the negative indexing, indexing starts from -1 on the right side. So on the right side, the indexing will start from -1. I will explain you both the things here. See here, I will divide the page into two. We are having positive indexing, positive, same way we are having negative here. So we are having both the indexing, positive and negative. So see here we are having the string Python P Y T H O N. Same way here also we are in P Y T H O N. So how the indexing is taking place? For positive indexing, we have seen it starts from 0 on left side. So it starts from 0. What is the left side? The first element, the first character on the left side is P, which will start from 0. So it will be in the continuous order like increasing by 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It will go from 0 to 5. This is the indexing, the positive indexing. Starts from 0 and it increases by 1. Okay, so what is happening in negative index? We know that in the negative index, the indexing starts from -1 on right side. So it will start from this, the last element, -1. It will go like -1, -2, increase in the negative order. So it will go like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. It will be increasing negatively. This is the difference. It starts from left hand side, it starts from right hand side, it starts from -1, it starts from 0, and the positive index is the in the positive indexing it increases by 1 in the positive direction. In the negative indexing it increases by 1 in the negative direction. So this is the basic difference. So you get to know what is indexing. Now see here, indexing means the position of some character or the element. Simple thing. So see here, if I have to access the character O here, I need to access this character. So how I can access this? I can simply access this value by its index number, either the positive one or the negative one. The positive index is 4 here, the negative index is -2. You can understand what is negative indexing, but I recommend you to use the positive indexing for the simple reason it does not create any confusion. So we will understand all the concepts with the help of positive indexing in the upcoming part. So see here, we will go to the notes now. So we have seen how the indexing is there. The first character always starts from index 0. We have seen this. Now we have seen negative indexing also. Let us do one thing. We will start the slicing part. So I will come to VS Code. I will do here. I will create a file. I will name it as slicing.py. Now I will write one variable. I will write here as name is equal to, let's say, Python, and I need to print O. As I have discussed here, I want to access this O. I want to access O only. I don't want to print P, Y, D, H or N. I want to print one specific character of a string or or the variable or anything you may want to call. So I want to print one specific character of a string. I don't want to print these values, these characters I don't want to print. So how I can print? I can print it by its index number. So its index is 4. So how I can write? How I can print? Simply I will write print. I will write print in the bracket. I will write its variable name. Here the name will come. In the square brackets, I will write the index number. Its index is 4. So I will write this and close the bracket. So what will be the output? The output will be the O only. The O will be printed. So let us implement this practically. So I am having the variable name with the value Python. I want to print O. What I will do here is I will use print function. I will give the variable name, use square bracket, enter the position of O. What is the position? What is the index of O? We are having the index of O as 4. I will enter it. So I will run this code. So when I am running this code, I am getting O here in the output. So it means we have done the right concept. We have implemented it also. So if you want to print n, what you will do? The index of O is 4, the index of n will be 5 here. Okay. So I will delete O. I will delete 4. I will write 5 here. I am getting n here. This is a simple thing. In negative indexing, what will be the index of n? In negative indexing, the indexing starts from -1 and it starts from right hand side. The right hand side we are having n here. So I want to print n. I will do -1. Now when I run, I am getting n. So it is on you how you want to write. Either you want to use positive indexing or negative indexing. But the thing is, you should know what you are doing. So I recommend you to use the positive indexing. It doesn't create any confusion. You will be able to do the things in a simple manner. The next thing which we are having is string slicing. So what does slicing mean? Slicing allows us to extract the portion of string. So what is string? The syntax of this, we are having a string. We are having a string. It starts in the square brackets. What we will do? We will give the starting value. Then we will use colon, and then we will give the ending value. Start index is included and end index is excluded. This is the difference. The starting index which we will give here, that value will be calculated, that value will come, but the ending value is excluded, that value does not come in the result. So this is a simple meaning. We are having one code here. I will copy this and run and let's see what is coming. I will comment out this part. I will comment this out. I will write the new one. I have pasted that. Simply I will run this. So we are getting PUI. So let's analyze this code. What is happening? I will go to the notes. I will paste here. What is happening here is we are having one variable called language and we are assigning it a string Python. We are assigning one value to it and then we are printing language from 0 to 2. What does this mean? The indexing starts from 0. It starts from 0 and it goes till 2. But one catch is here. The starting value, the starting value is included and the ending value is excluded. So you need to understand this that if we are writing this, the variable name that is language and in square brackets we are writing 0 colon 2. So it means that the starting value will be 0. The zeroth, the character at the zeroth position or zeroth index will be taken. Here we are having p at the zeroth index. So we will write p. It is saying to go till 2, but 2 we will not write in the result. So after 0, what is coming? We are having 1. The At the 1st position, we are having y. We have printed 0th. At 1, we are having y. So I will write y here. Now, the next, after 1, we are having 2. But 2 is excluded. We will not take the value at 2 position or 2 index. So we will not write t here. We will go from 0 to 1 only. So this will be the result. So this we got in the VS Code as well. We got py as the output. So this is string indexing in a simple manner. So here explanation is given. Index 0 is P, index 1 is Y, index 2 is excluded. Simple thing. Another example we are having this. It will go from 2 to 5. I will print this. The output will be THO. So I will explain this also. So I will write it here. So see it. See, we are having language 2 colon 5. We are having like this. So we are having the string as Python Python. It starts from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes till 5, and we are printing from 2 to 5. 2 is included for sure. 2 will be included. But is at 2? We are having t. After that, we will go till 5, but 5 we will not write. So we will go till 4. Ultimately, we will go till 4 only. So we will write from 2. 2 we have written T, then we will write 3, that is H. We will write 4, that is O. And the fifth, the ending value is excluded, so we will not write the fifth value, that is N. So we will write from 2 to 4, that is THO. So this will be the result, and this is only given here in the output. You can try this by running in the VS Code as well. The output will be surely THO. So now we will see another method of slicing. In this method, we will not write the starting index. So we are not writing the starting index, we are omitting start index. How we are doing, how we are writing, let us understand. So whenever we are omitting the start index automatically is from the starting of the string. So I have that example, that previous example which we have discussed in the previous examples. So taking that example only, I will print this statement. I will copy this, I will go to VS Code, and here I will print it. So what I am doing is, here I am having a variable language, and after that I am having a string Python. Earlier we have printed from 0 to 2. 2 was excluded. It will go from 0 to 1 only. It means P and Y will be printed. And now let us see the output of this statement. I will run this code. So we are getting PYTH. So how we are getting PYTH? We have not given the start index here. We have just written colon 4. What does this mean and how it is executed? I will explain you here. So what is happening is, I will paste this statement. So see here. So I will choose the marker from here. So see here, what we are doing is, we are just printing language colon 4. So what does this mean? We are having one variable language equals to Python. So we are having this, and now we are printing print language colon 4. So what does this mean? It will start from the index 0 whenever we have not specified any start index value. So the default value for that is to start from 0. So it will start from 0 only, and if we are omitting the last value, the ending value, if we omit that, so say, let's say we write like this, like we write like this, 2 colon, and we are omitting the ending value. So what will happen is, the ending value will be this, the last element's index. It will by default the index of the last character or the last element. So in this case, we are having column 4. So what does this mean is the default start value will be 0 as we have not specified any index value here. So it will start from 0 and go till 4, but the fourth index will be excluded, will not be included in the output. So what will the result of this? We will get P, Y, T, H. How we are getting? See here, we are having index from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. At fourth position, we are having O here. At fourth position, we are having O. So we will exclude this. We will not include this. So we will go from P to H. This much will be included. So this is our output. So this is all about omitting starting or ending index. We have seen this both. Now how to copy entire string. So if you want that the copy of any string should be made, so how we can do that? You can just do like this. I will create another variable here. Let's say anything. Let's say name or let's say course equal to I will say language, then I will just put colon here. So what it will do is it will create a copy of the now it will create the copy of the variable language. So whatever the string stored in language, it will be stored as it is in the course variable as well. So if I print here, I print course here, I print course here. I will comment out these two print statements. I will comment out these and run. So what I am getting is Python. So it creates the copy of language as it is. The default value of start is 0. The default value of end is the last element. So full string will be copied from language to course and it will be stored in the course. So whenever we will call or print that variable, it will be storing the value which is copied from the first variable, that is language. So the next thing which we are having is step slicing. So now we know what is slicing. The next concept is of step slicing. What does step slicing mean? Step slicing means to skip characters based on a step value. So it means to skip values. Till now, what we are doing is we are having a start index, we are having ending index. Now we will add one more colon, and after that we will be having step value. What will be the step value? How to determine it? Let us see with the example. So we are having example here. I will explain you. So see here, we are having this example. What is happening here? We are having a variable language in which we are storing a string Python, and after that we are printing language colon colon 2. So what does this mean? We are printing language colon colon 2. So here we have not given the starting value, it means the default will be 0. We have not given the ending value, the default will be the index of the last element. In this case, what is the last index? It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last index will be 5. It goes from 0 to 5. So it will go from 0 to 5, the default. So the last index is 5. So it will step value means to leave or to take character after this value only. So here 2 is there. So I will write Python here, Python. So I have written Python here. Now see, we will skip two values. Sorry, we will skip one value. Means we need to take skip after skipping one value we will take. So we will start from P. As it is, we will print P. After that, what will happen? We will skip one value. We need the second value after P. What is the second value after P? It is T. What is the first value after P? It is Y. So we will skip one value. We need to go to the second value after the specific character. So P we have printed. We need to go to the second value after P. The second value after P is T. So T will be printed. We will write T here. Now we will skip one more value to go to the second value after T. Now the last value which we have printed is T. We will go to the second value after T. The second value after T is O here. So we will print O also. So we have printed P, T, O, we have skipped Y, we have skipped H. Now we need to go second value after O, but we do not have any second value after O. So it will go till here only and the output will be PTO. As we have got here, the output will be PTO. So I will go here and write the same thing. I will write here. Firstly, I will comment out these. I will comment it out and write here print. I will write here print language. After that, I will just skip and write here 2. So let's see the result of this. So we got PTO. So we got the same output. It means our concept is right. So it is the same thing which I have explained. So here also it is written Python prints every second character. If we write 3 here, it will print every third character. If we write 1 here, it will print every first character. That is the simple thing, the simple logic. Now, how to reverse a string? The main thing which is used in many of the programs or codes, how to reverse a string. How we can do that? We can do that with the help of slicing only. In place of step value, we are writing some positive indexing. So we will do is skip and write -1 here. -1 will do is it will reverse the string. It will start from the last and it will be in the decreasing, it will be increasing in the negative direction. So the output will be this. How it is working, I will explain here. I will write the code here. Now see here. We are having print language ::-1. So what does ::-1 means? We have the variable language which is storing Python as we know. We already have this. So we are just printing, we are doing print language ::-1. So -1 means if we are having any string, let's say Python we are having, -1 means the negative indexing starts from here. So it will start from here in the increasing order of negative in the increasing values of negative numbers. So it will go from -1, -2, -3 and so on till -6. Okay, so this is the way of reversing. You just need to write the variable name, that is language in this case. After that, just put square bracket ::-1. It will automatically convert it into the reverse order. Okay. So here, in this case, what will be the output? The last element is n, n-o-h-t by p. So this will be the output. You can execute this as well. Go here, copy this statement, come into VS Code, comment out these, and just do this. So the output will be same, n-o-h-t by p. So the next thing, another example is also here. You can do this as well. You can skip the end value, give the last value, just skip. Now what are escape characters? Escape characters begin with a backslash and allow special formatting. So escape characters means the characters which allow special formatting. What is special formatting? Like if you want to give space in the lines, in the words, or if you want to print something in the next line, to write something in the next line, you can't simply press enter and write. It will be considered in the one line only. So for writing in the next line or giving the space, you can use backslash t and backslash n. So backslash t and backslash n are the special characters for special formatting. They are known as escape characters. So what does backslash n means? The after hello, the control will come into the next line, the cursor will come into the next line, and then the word will be printed. So let's try this. I will copy this. I will make a new file here, name it as escape underscore characters.py, and I will paste it here and see here. What is happening is it prints hello as it is. After that, where it sees backslash n, there the control the cursor will move to the next line, and after that whatever is written there, world is written, so world will be printed in the next line. So this is the use of backslash n. Same way we are having backslash t here. I will copy this and paste it here, and now see the output. We have not given any space here, we have given backslash t. So backslash t means to give tab spaces. It will give tab space automatically wherever you write backslash t. If you write backslash t here, let's say you write here backslash t, so what will happen? It will give space here as well. Wherever you write backslash t, it will give the spacing. So this is for backslash n and backslash t. Same way, if you want to print double quote, see here, if you want to print double quote, like in print, if you use double quotes, it will be used to print a string. But if you want double quotes should also be printed, then you need to write like this, backslash double quote. If you directly write double quote here, it will take strings from here to here, and this will give you error. This double quote will give you error by error because this syntax is not allowed. You can't simply write double quote inside double quote. To print double quote, to write double quote inside the double quote, to use it as a string, you need to use backslash double quote wherever you want double quote. So whenever you use backslash double quote, one double quote will be printed. So as you can see, one double quote is printed here. You have given backslash double quote, so double quote is printed. Same way here also double quote is printed. So this is the use of backslash double quote. So the next thing which we are having is backslash. If you want to write backslash, what you need to do is you need to write two times. As we have written here, one backslash is considered. If I remove it, if I remove it, what will be the output? It will give error. Why error? What it says, syntax error, Unicode error, Unicode escape, codec can't decode bytes in position 2, 3, truncated, this. What it means? What is the meaning of it? It means that we are using backslash and backslash t. Backslash is mainly a command to give some extra instructions, like it means the escape sequence. Escape sequence means some special characters that has some specific meaning. So if you give backslash n here, it will print it, it will move the cursor into the next line. So same way, if you print backslash here and after that no meaningful character is there, it will automatically give you error. So to print backslash, you need to use two backslashes like this. Wherever you want backslash, you need to write backslash two times to make it understand that you are writing backslash. So it will write the backslash one time. So this is about the backslash. Now we are having some row strings. What does row strings mean? Sometimes we don't want Python to treat backslashes as escape characters. Use R before the string. Path is equal to R, this. So whenever this is the first method to avoid using escape characters, use double backslash. Or the next thing, the other thing which you can do is put R before the string. So in VS Code, like what you can do is to avoid that error which I have shown you earlier, you can write here R. So when you do this and execute, you will get no error. But if you remove R from here, you will get the same error again. So either you can use double backslashes to write a backslash, or you can use R here to avoid escape sequence characters. So whenever you run, you will not get error in this case. So now we will start with some string functions. So firstly, we are having one function here, string length. So what does string length means? Python provides the length len function to find the number of characters. So this function len, this is used to find the number of characters in a string. So how it is used? See here, we are having one variable name which is storing a string which is having the value python. So python, the string is stored in the variable name, and we are printing length of name. So what does this mean? We are printing, we are calculating what is the length of this string. The length always starts from 1, but the indexing always starts from 0. So you need to keep in mind that the length starts from 1 and the indexing starts from 0. So this is the main thing you need to keep in the mind. So I will copy this code, come to VS Code, and I will paste here. I will paste it here. So I will run this. So when I run, I am getting here 6. I will comment out the previous code. I will comment it out this also. So this is our new code, these two lines. We are having one variable which is storing the value python as a string, and we are just printing the length of that variable. We are using length function to print the length of the string. So the length of python, the length of the string python is 6 because it is having 6 characters. The length starts from 1. So we will start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 is the length. So it is used to calculate the length when you are having a bigger string, a larger string, which you cannot calculate. So here we can see that there are 6 characters, but sometimes the characters are more so that you cannot calculate. So same way we are having some more functions. I will tell you how you can go through that. Just come to ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT, go to new chat. So now I will tell you how you can explore some more functions. There are a lot of functions which I cannot cover in one video. If you want, I can make some one separate video for that. But how you can do that? How you can do that? So come to ChatGPT and just type string functions in Python. Just type this. You will get a list of various functions. You can just read it and try it yourself in VS Code. Just execute it once, and then you will be able to understand and remember each and everything. So we have started from length function len. It returns the length of string. We have done this example. Same way we are having lower, it converts the string to lowercase. Upper, it converts the string to uppercase. We are having title, it converts the first letter of each word to uppercase. We are having capitalize, it capitalizes the first letter of the string. We are having swap case, it swaps the case. If the string is in uppercase, it will make it in lowercase. If the string is in the lowercase, it will make it into the uppercase. It will swap the cases. Same way we are having strip, it removes the spaces, unnecessary spaces, like after hello, after and before hello, there is one space remaining. There is one space. Okay, so it will just remove it and make it clean. We are having lstrip function. It removes leading spaces. The spaces which are in the starting, it will remove that spaces. We are having rstrip. It removes trailing spaces. What does trailing spaces means? The spaces which are after some word. So that are after a word. So we are having the word hello here, and after that we are having one space here. So it will remove that trailing spaces. Same way we are having replace function. It replaces substring a word from the string. So the syntax of it is replace. We will put old string here, comma, then the new one, the value which we want after replacing. So we will put that here. So we are having a string here, apple. We want to replace P with B. So we will use function replace. We will put the string here, then dot replace P comma B. We have entered the values which we want. Then wherever P is coming, it will be replaced with B. So we will get a double b l e. So this is the use of replace function, and same way there are many more functions, many functions which you can explore by yourself. It is not easy to cover everything into one video, so you can explore all these functions by yourself. So here we are with the end of this video. In this lectures, we have covered everything around the strings. We have covered what is string. We have covered how to create string, what are the various ways of creating string, how we can access various characters of the string using positive indexing as well as negative indexing. We have seen what is slicing, how we can slice out the strings, and also we have seen step slicing. We have seen how to reverse a string, and we have seen what are escape characters. And after that, we have seen what are the various functions of strings which we can use. So you can explore all the left out things by yourself. So this is all about this lecture. So I hope you understood everything well. So in the next lecture, we will do the conditional statements. So this is all about this lecture. Thank you.